Can artificial intelligence become India's digital teacher? Welcome to the latest episode of Perspectives. I'm your host Ankita Sachdeva. In today's episode, we explore how artificial intelligence could reshape the future of education, democratize access to learning, and potentially bridge one of India's oldest challenges: unequal access to quality education. For centuries, education has been regarded as one of the humanity's greatest equalizers. Yet, access to quality education has never been truly equal. The best teachers, institutions, and learning opportunities have often remained concentrated in a few regions, while millions of students elsewhere continue to navigate limitations in infrastructure, resource, and personalized guidance. Now, AI is introducing a new possibility. What if expertise no longer needed to remain confined to physical classrooms? What if personalized learning support could become available anytime, anywhere? And what if technology could help bring quality education to millions who have historically remained outside its reach? The future of education may no longer be defined only by building more schools. It may also be defined by how intelligently we distribute knowledge. This conversation has gained renewed relevance following Zoho's launch of Classes 2.0, an AI-powered learning management platform designed to bring teaching, assessments, collaboration, and classroom administration into a single ecosystem. More significantly, the company has announced that the platform will be made available free of licensing cost to government educational institutions across India, because education today faces a challenge of scale. The demand for quality learning is growing much faster than traditional systems can expand. The world does not suffer from a shortage of knowledge. Humanity has accumulated more information than ever before. The real challenge is access to quality teachers, access to personalized guidance, access to learning environments that adapt to individual needs. The internet gave billions of people access to information, but information alone does not automatically translate into education. For India, this conversation carries enormous significance. The country has one of the world's largest student population and one of the most diverse education ecosystems. At the same time, India has repeatedly demonstrated its ability to build digital infrastructure at scale. From digital identity to digital payments, technology has helped bridge access gaps that once appeared impossible to solve. Education could become the next frontier. Yet, education is not simply about delivering information. It is about developing curiosity, critical thinking, confidence, judgment, and human connection. Artificial intelligence may be able to answer questions, but can it inspire a child? Can it recognize emotional struggle? Can it understand when a student is losing confidence or needs encouragement? Perhaps not. At least not yet. For years, educational technology was largely viewed as another digital service, a platform, an application, a supplementary tool. Artificial intelligence could fundamentally change that perception. The biggest promise of artificial intelligence in education is not that machines will replace teachers. It is that quality learning may become less dependent on geography, privilege, and circumstance. That's all for today's Perspectives. I'm your host Ankita Sachdeva. Keep watching the Mainstream for more such stories.